How to change country in Amazon shopping app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change the country in the Amazon shopping app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to change country in the Amazon shopping app, it is actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Amazon shopping application here. Once you've done this, tap the three lines option from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the three lines option, scroll down, you'll see the settings option. Make sure to tap on it, and here you'll find country and language. Make sure to tap on it again, and right over here currently you can say it's set to India, and if you want to change it, just select this option here, and now you can just go ahead and select any of the other countries that you wish. Tap the done button and your country on Amazon will get successfully changed. That's all it takes to change the country or region on the Amazon shopping app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.